And I want to speak to Jia Khan's mother, Rabia. Today, the Maharashtra government is attacking Sushant's family. They are targeting Sushant's father. The Maharashtra government is disregarding the family even during the Supreme Court hearing. The difference is that this case is very much in the media. So when they attack, we question them back. We just heard Neelam Katara. I just want to hear, and I want Rabia, I want you to talk from your experience to all the people watching tonight. Let people know what parents go through after a loss. Let people know that when the whole system comes out, when the father has to write a 9-page letter saying that after looting and killing Sushant, the gang started insulting his memory, the protector also joined them. Today, at least this is being highlighted. I want people to know what is not highlighted. Rabia, I want you to tell people what families go through after systematic killings like it happened in the case of your own daughter.
Yes. Arnab, before I start telling you anything, I want to say for the criminals that the sin is yours, the crime is yours, and the shame is yours. And you blame it on family because you have no other tools. To cover your truth, to the criminal action, you go under the umbrella of the politicians because you know they have the power to crack the criminal behavior. Right? The accuser's father was calling me insane, and within a month takes his son and brings a media campaign saying, I have no sympathy for mother. Where his own son writes me letters saying, I want a mother like you. I love you more than my mother. I see your love in Jia. You know, Jia praises you so much. I mean, I gave all the WhatsApp messages, the last minute WhatsApp messages of my daughter to police and CBI. They ignored it, where she has implicitly expressed that he has got a bad temper, that he physically abuses. And his own, accuser's own father's sister wrote to me and said that when she raised this subject to her brother, saying that the neighbors are complaining that Suraj is beating Jia, he said, "Mera beta ash kar raha hai, interfere mat karo, usse ash karne do." इस तरह का आपका was his this thing. Then he comes on the night. The accused does not even come. He runs away. 3 days we don't see him at all in the funeral. And the father comes and says, "Are mere," he abuses the son, calling him I don't know. You know, I can't even use that Greek word, calling him name and saying, "अरे ये तो बच्ची थी, उसने तो अपने करियर की वाट लगा दी. मैंने उसको कहा था कि don't repeat the mistakes that I have made." I mean, what kind of mistakes you're talking about? And then an influential friend of mine went to NCP leader and said, look into Jia Khan's case. We know her from childhood, and this is a simple case of murder. He said, don't talk to us. The father will start singing our song. What is the song that father knows of NCP that he will start singing? I mean, this kind of things that I have seen. The accuser's mother is saying that I am taking a murder turn just to get money. I mean, we have lost a child. For 7.5 years, I am asking for justice. I have done more investigation now than these people have done. I've handed everything, all the injury pictures, all the forensic expert report, and the BBM forensic expert analysis where they can get the GPS. They have done nothing, just getting under the umbrella of the politicians, because they know if they have the politicians, they can attack the family. This is what they have in their defense. Shame on them.
Rabia.
Yes.
Rabia and
I'm
Neelam.
So angry. You have no
Rabia and Neelam, can I just step aside from this and say one thing?
Yeah, sure.
I want to say one thing to both of you. You know, I've been asking myself on this. Why has Sushant's case, Neelam, become so massive, big, overwhelming? You know, Neelam, I've known you for all these 18 years. And you know, I've been thinking, what is it that has really made people so involved and angry and passionately involved in the facts of how Sushant was killed. And I have only one conclusion, Rabia, because people have seen your pain. People are seeing your pain, Neelam, today. People who didn't know you maybe, people are seeing Rabia's pain today. People are seeing Sushant's father's pain today when a father says that I was just coming out of the cremation when you took a statement from me. And I want to take all this pain and put it out in a note and send it to the Mumbai Police Commissioner that what are you doing? You attack parents. And therefore I feel many parents are watching this today and saying, my God, this could happen to our children. Because you know loss when you experience it. Many fathers, many brothers and sisters are saying Sushant could have been our brother. Right? Many young people are saying Sushant could have been our friend. I'm telling you, many people from the cinema industry are saying we could have been Sushant. People are saying, look how hard he fought. He lost his mother.
Yes.
He lost his mother in his teens. Right? And I read that he always wanted to make her proud. He lost his own mother and he worked so hard to achieve everything. And today people are questioning our movement. I feel this is a turning point because everyone in India is seeing this as a big battle for justice. It's a wake-up call. It's a wake-up call.
And there's a huge middle class in this country who need to send their children out into the world to work, to make a name for themselves, to earn money. And they are scared. They are scared. Can they send their children out, and what other choice do they have? This is a bigger question than elections. And especially, like on the other side, it was a criminal politician. So, you know, these are the people, their children are in the same world as our children are now. So what does the middle class parent do?
And why would Sharad Pawar not see this? Why would Uddhav Thackeray not see the way people feel about this? That's my question. Which world are they in?
Arnab.
Which world are they in? No, Rabia, do they not see? A father wrote a 9-page note today. The father is to issue statements, Rabia, and everyone's on his relationship with his sister. The family is forced to speak up.
Hi everyone, I'm Sucharita Kukreti. Thanks for checking out Republic World. If you would like to watch more show highlights and live coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the Republic World News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.